How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And is SetupVPN a fast VPN? Well, the answer is yes, but that's pretty much because it lacks proper encryption. Now, with proper 128 or 256-bit encryption, due to the time it takes to encrypt your traffic, it will be a little bit slower. Now, my speed is around, without a VPN, it's around 4.6, 4.7. That's my speed when I connect it to the Netherlands server. We have 5 locations available here. That's about it. Now, when I'm connected to the LA server, it looks like it got cut by half. Let's go ahead and give it another chance and see what happens. It's cutting my speed by over half, so that's really not good at all. This doesn't seem like a very reliable VPN. Sometimes it gives you good speeds, sometimes bad speeds. Maybe not really giving me the best speeds right now, so it seems like it's going up. Okay, so could have been the server that I got connected to. So this is pretty good overall, considering that I'm near the European region. It's giving me this kind of speed. This seems a little bit more accurate. So it is a fast VPN, but it will not protect your data, and the privacy policy is shady at best. Now, they say they don't sell or lease or rent your data or anything like that. They do not sell your data, and they do not disclose your personal information, but they do collect information. That's for sure, as they say here in the privacy policy. Is it a fast VPN though? It is a fast VPN, but that's because it has little to no encryption. So if you guys are looking for a proper VPN, that's definitely not what you're looking for. And it has terrible user interface. This is just, not a very good looking VPN, honestly. And it doesn't give you access to any kind of streaming services or anything like that. I was not able to access Hulu here, as you can tell. It can detect that I'm using a VPN, and Netflix did not give me access to the Netflix library. Tried looking up Get On Up, which is a US only movie, and I couldn't access it. But if you guys are interested in actual VPNs that have strict no logs policies, great speeds, proper encryption, streaming and torrenting capabilities, and plenty of security features to keep you secure, these are the top 3 VPNs. Be sure to check the reviews down below if you're interested in learning more about these VPNs. And you'll also find links to pricing and discounts. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.